Hello everyone out there, this is Husker with my 2012 Harley Fat Boy. When I first bought this, it was working great. I could engage the clutch lever and be in gear and start the bike. After a while, after a couple of years, it quit working quite that way. I had to put it in neutral all the time, or once in a while it would catch in. Couldn't figure out what it was. So I did a little work, and you can see there's a little lever, little plate, the switches right there for the clutch right between. So I have that, and I know inside the rest of the switch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the cover so I can do a little DW40 here, and of course my Tex 25. So let me get that off and get prepared, and I'll be back with you. Okay everyone, we now have the cover off, and you can see the rest of the components in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some WD-40. I'll spray it in there, and I'm also going to spray it in here to clean out all the gunk that's inside there. Once I have it sprayed in there, I'm going to take and I'm going to work the lever back and forth a little bit. The other thing I did prior to doing the WD-40 is I took my compressor and I blew out all any dust and dirt and things that might have been hanging out in here. So I did that. Anyway, I've got it all in there lubricated. Let me put it back together and I'll be back. Well, we're back. I have it all back together. I've got the bike in gear, clutch engaged, and he's running. Works perfect. What you might find that you might need to do, and I had to do this a little bit, is once you soak it, it might have to set for a little bit and work its way in there to clean things out, and then you'll have no more issues. No more having to put it in neutral every time. No more having to put it in neutral every time I go to jump start it. So that's all you have to do. A little lubrication in there, keep things clean, and it'll run new like new for you. This is Husker signing off.